just chilling time. I got a cool, perfect. Yeah, girls, what's up? You.
Come on.
What?
Yeah.
What do you want? Like?
Hello. I'm schoolboy, and I need your help with the math. With the math.
No.
Please. No.
Get away! I don't know like
listen,
math.
Listen.
Oh, she's so crazy.
Listen. With the numbers, I need with the math. You know, my class work. No, not classwork. Homework. My homework.
I don't want to listen to you. Like, leave me alone. Like, you see, this is teenager.
No.
Approach to them.
No, come.
Что?
Put here.
No, like, I don't want it. Like, if this is teenager, just approach to them. I don't want to. Like, leave me alone. Like, you know what this is like?
No, come here.
No, I don't want to. No.
Hey.
No. What do you want? Just stroke. Leave me alone. Like, you're crazy. Ooh. Oh, I just run away from him. Like, he's so crazy. Like, he wants like to help like with the school. Like, I don't even know. Like, you again.
Hello.
Like,
so why run away from me?
because I don't know you. Like, what do you want from me? Like,
listen. What I'm talking about? I need to count, to do my homework, and I need your. I know.
I finished school already.
Oh, shut up! Listen me. I know you know the math very good.
No,
like a teacher. So listen, like that. Like that.
Like
1, 2, 3, and with me. Understand?
No, like, get away. I just wanna chill.
I
Like,
don't know to count, so
you see the sugar. You can enjoy it. Yeah. Like,
no, sugar don't need it.
Yo, leave me alone, please.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm so tired. He's like, he's so crazy. Like, what he is doing. Like, what? Are you good, bro? What's happening like that? No, you're so cute. No. You will never catch me. Yeah. Oh.
Stop it.
No. Leave me alone. No. Oh. No. What are you doing like that? No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're so crazy. Stop. I'm already sick of it to run away from you. Like, I'm so exhausted.
I'm tired.
Why? Stop chasing me. Like,
I'm tired to run.
I'm not a student. I'm not a schoolboy. I finished school already, but I got something for you. Like,
okay, show me what you got.
Yeah. This is for you.
Oh, the newspaper.
Yeah.
The truth. Wow, I like it. My favorite newspaper. I like it. I have a newspaper.
Yeah, you can enjoy with them.
Look, I can do like that. And
No. Leave. Go home.
Bye. I have a newspaper. Bye.
So crazy. Oh.